Meaning of housewifely.
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 Housewifely. The term housewifely refers to the domestic skills and qualities associated with being a good homemaker, typically performed by women. These skills may include cooking, cleaning, organizing, budgeting, and caring for family members. A person who is described as being housewifely is often seen as efficient, orderly, and meticulous in managing the household tasks. While the term is often associated with traditional gender roles, it can also be applied to anyone who is skilled in managing a household. Overall, housewifely denotes an adeptness in taking care of the home and family.